So with every transaction at CVS, you're going to want to start at the red box. If I were you, I would scan your CVS rewards card one time, shop for about 10 minutes, and then go back and enter your phone number, because a lot of times extra CRTs will print. So let's get on with this transaction. Okay, so this is not part of my spend 20 get $5 back, but I do have a $2 off Colgate toothpaste, toothbrush, or mouthwash that is expiring today that I want to use. I am going to get the Colgate Optic White. It is on sale for $5.99. When you buy one, you're going to get $2.50 back in extra care bucks. And to use with my $2 off CRT, we do have a $1 off Colgate coupon that expired a couple days ago, but I'm going to try to use it because I believe you can use them up to 6 days after they expire. Also, if that does not work, there is a 50-cent off Colgate that was from last week's insert that I will use as well. Okay, so this is going to be part of my spend 20 get $5 back in extra care bucks. My best friend in the whole wide world has been raving about these Tide Pods 4-in-1 and how amazing they are on your clothes and how nice they make your clothes feel. So I'm going to go ahead and try these out. I'm going to get one of the Tide Pods that are on sale for $4.94. I am going to use a $2 off coupon from the March Procter & Gamble. And then I'm also going to grab a bottle of the Liquid Tide that is on sale for $5.94. And I'm going to use the $2 off one paper coupon from March P&G. Okay, so the Kleenex wet wipes are also included in the spend 20 and get 5. I do not need this for my $20 threshold, but since we do have the 50-cent off one coupons, as well as the $1 off 2 CRT, they are on sale 2 for $3. Your CRT is going to bring that down to $2 when you buy 2. And then you're going to take an extra $1 off. So you're going to pay only 50 cents a pack for these, and that's a good deal. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of them. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to grab in this transaction, I'm actually going to be pairing with a $3 off. Can I get that to focus in? A $3 off 12 shampoo CRT. So the Pantene is part of the spend 20 get 5, and they're on sale 3 for $12. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 3 of these. Okay, so with my 3 off of 12 hair care CRT, I'm also going to be using one of these $5 off 3 Pantene from the March Procter & Gamble. So this is everything that I've got in my cart so far. I believe my total after coupon should be right around $9 or $10, and then I'm going to get $5 back for spending 20 and also $2.50 back on the Colgate. Okay, so real quick, so I have time to go in and do my next transaction. I got the Kleenex wipes, the 3 bottles of Pantene, the Tide Pods, the Liquid Tide, and the Colgate. Now, the only problem that I ran into when scanning my coupons, my $2 off Tide Liquid coupon went through, but since I had a $1 off app-only Tide coupon, it would not take my $2 off paper coupon, which wasn't a huge deal, but that would have saved me an extra $1. I did spend $14 in extra care bucks. My total before tax was 87 cents, and I did get back $5 in extra care bucks for spending 20 and $2.50 for buying the Colgate. Total savings of 98%. I'd say that's a pretty good deal. Just another quick deal that you can get at CVS right now. The Almay makeup is buy one get one 50% off. Plus you're going to get this $4 off when you visit the coupon center. Now I'm gonna buy 2 of these makeup wipes for $6.59. I'm gonna get the second one 50% off. I'm gonna use the $4 off CRT, as well as this $3 off any 2 Almay makeup remover. Also, the CoverGirl is on a great promotion this week. When you spend $12, you're gonna get $5 back in extra care bucks. I do have a $3 off 15 CoverGirl that expires today, as well as a $3 off CoverGirl Cosmetics that expires today. Now, I was going to get the brow pencils, which they are out of, so I'm going to have to improvise a little bit. I did get one of the CoverGirl Professional Mascaras. This is $6.99. And I'm also going to grab one of the CoverGirl Brow Pencils for $8.99. That will put me over what I need to get the $5 back, as well as using my $3 off 15 CRT. So this is what I'm going to get. And is this... Okay, everybody, here is the receipt for the second transaction I did at CVS. I only had time to do 2 transactions, and I have about $30 in extra care bucks expiring tonight. So I am going to try to go back up there on my break at work. It really makes it difficult because somebody drove through the wall of our CVS, like drove their car through the wall a couple weeks ago. And so most of the makeup we don't have access to. I think we have access to CoverGirl, e.l.f., and some of the Wet n Wild. Other than that, no Revlon, no L'Oreal. So it makes it a little bit difficult to use our CRTs. But anyway, here's my receipt. I did get the Almay wipes for buy one, get one 50% off. The 2 CoverGirl items are spend $12, get $5 back. Here are my coupons. I had the $3 off CoverGirl, $3 off CoverGirl, $3 off 2 Almay. I did have a $4 off Almay Cosmetic CRT, a $3 off CoverGirl CRT, and a $3 off 15 CoverGirl CRT. I did use $6 in extra care bucks. My total was $1.44, which was just my tax. Before that, my total was $0. I saved 100% today. And yeah, and I got $5 back in extra care bucks for the CoverGirl. So I spent $6.86, got back $5. Pretty good deal, I think. Alright, well that's it for my videos for today, for right now at least. If I do go back up there, I will record another video. Hey everybody, Coupon Countrygrl here, also known as Tasha, or Tasha, also known as Coupon Countrygrl. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my videos today. If you have not done so already, hit that like button for me, please. It really means a lot to me, and it makes it to where other people can see my videos and take advantage of the deals I post as well. And if you're not a subscriber yet, you really need to think about that and hit that subscribe button, because I post some amazing deals and a lot of glitches, and a lot of times these deals don't last very long. So if you want to be the first to find out about these awesome deals, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram. I do post deals pretty much daily. Until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye!